you. I said multiple times, do not slam me on the ground. You can't arrest me. I will let you arrest me. Please do not slam me on the ground. I am pregnant. You will risk giving me a miscarriage. By the way,
on July the 7th, 2025, at approximately 12:11 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call of domestic violence.
Are you guys here for the domestic dispute?
Yeah.
This is my friend who called you guys.
What's up?
we just got into an argument and he started punching shit.
Did he hit you?
No, not this time.
Alright. Where's he at? In the house?
Yeah.
Alright. Are you leaving for the night?
No, I can't. No, I'm not leaving for the night.
Huh?
No, he's not leaving for the night either.
So who are they?
My friends.
Are you able to go with them so this doesn't happen? So someone doesn't have to go to jail?
I don't want to go. I don't want to go with them.
Is he still in the house? Which house is it?
We can bring you back later. It's fine.
They just offered to take you.
We'll bring you back later. It's going on.
Hey.
Get back up. I love that. Stay out of it because you guys are arguing. Is there a dog in here?
No.
What's his name?
Jim.
Jim.
I'm gonna skip ahead a little because this part is all blurred out. The officers spoke to both parties and determined that no violence had occurred. The male half of the relationship agreed to leave for the evening, and the officers are about to escort him out of the apartment.
That's fine, he doesn't have to leave, but you guys can tell him that that's causing abuse.
Hey.
And that's wrong to punch my shit.
Just to let you know, if you put your hands on her, you're going to jail.
I got you, man. Ain't no one putting
Is there somewhere you can go for the night?
Yeah, you can take me to my mom's.
How far does she live?
She lives in the bottoms.
All right, cool. Come on.
Yep.
Grab the stuff.
Don't text me.
Have a good night.
Have a good night, really?
Thank you.
This way. That car right there.
Not a problem.
Hey, watch that shit! Watch it!
Did you throw that at me? Go back.
No.
Where's this escalator?
Stay out.
I didn't throw that at nobody. Don't fucking I'm pregnant. You guys think I have a miscarriage? I am fucking pregnant.
Stop.
I'm fucking
Stop resisting.
Stop.
On the ground.
Hey.
On the ground.
Stop being rough with her! Stop being rough
She
with
just
her!
kicked me.
I didn't kick you.
Yes, you did.
I didn't kick you. I was
Put your hands behind your
I was
back.
wrestling.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't mean to kick you. Please don't do this to me. I'm a good citizen, guys. I'm sorry I threw it at you. I was mad. I didn't even throw it at you. I threw it at the ground. I threw it at... You're hurting my leg, please. Let up. Fuck, you have me in restraint. You don't need to be rough.
Yeah, I don't have to leave.
We're going to get you up after you get in handcuffs. Calm down.
Why would you throw something, dude?
Because I hate the police. I hate them so much. Why did you guys fucking call them, dude?
Emily, can I get your car keys?
Yeah, you can give them here.
Alright, we'll try to give
You can give them here. She's trying to run off with her car keys. She's trying to run off with her car keys.
She gave them to me.
She's trying to run off with her car keys right now.
That has nothing to
Give
do
them
with
up.
this.
Grab them from her, please.
And if I have an abortion, no, if I have a miscarriage because you guys were rough with me, you guys are getting charged with murder. Fix my fucking brawl now. Fix my brawl.
We're going out.
Sir, can you please pull my shirt up, please?
Can I pull her?
You guys are recording.
Hold on.
Stop. Hold on.
There you go.
Yeah, because that's literally fucking illegal. That's the only fucking reason that you're fucking doing it.
Stop spitting
I'm
at
gonna
us.
give your keys to your mom, okay?
Calm
down.
They're gonna charge me with assault of an officer. I'm hungry. They're gonna charge me with assault of an officer. I didn't even assault you.
Threw glass at us.
No, I
You just said
didn't.
it. You just said it.
I threw it at the ground.
Threw it.
I threw it at the ground. You know what? You guys are just racist. Because I'm fucking white, isn't it? It's because I'm fucking white.
he's talking to the other guy. Spread your feet so she can search you.
I got it.
Is she going
I
to jail?
don't have anything.
Are we arresting
You
her?
fucking dumb bitch. I don't have anything.
Stop.
Ow! Stop slamming me against the front. I'm fucking pregnant. If you guys make me have a miscarriage, you guys will be charged with murder.
Face the car.
If you guys make me have
We'll
a,
have a medic come check you out. But you're going
you
to
will
jail.
literally be charged with murder if I have a miscarriage. That's how that fucking works now.
You want a medic come check you out?
Absolutely. You guys just slammed me to the ground and I'm pregnant. I told you to be gentle with me and you guys refused.
Oh yeah, you were jumping me through that glass at us. Oh, okay.
We're going to take you to. We're going to have a medic come check you out, hon.
It doesn't matter.
Hey, just calm down for a second.
You're still going to be charged with murder if I have a miscarriage.
Hey, just calm down for a second.
You threw me on the ground.
We
I
placed
told
you
I was
on the
pregnant.
ground.
I asked you to be gentle with me multiple times.
Well, once you kick me, that goes out of the window. And
I
we don't
did not
know you're
kick
pregnant.
you, I was
yes,
wrestling.
you did. You kicked
I
me.
was wrestling.
You kicked me in
You
my
can
kneecap.
charge me with obstruction of an officer,
That's not what the
meaning I was
charge is.
trying to get away from you. You cannot charge me with assault. I never kicked you.
You did.
I did not. I was wrestling.
Have you ever been arrested before?
What the fuck do you think?
I don't know you. This is my
I
first
don't
time
have
seeing
to answer that.
you. You know your social?
I don't have to answer that either. I'm sure you guys can find it. You can do more work to try to find it. Why would I make your life easier right now? You're making my life hard.
Look,
Really?
it's not up to me you go to jail.
I already
It's up to them.
resisted arrest. I already resisted arrest.
That's up to us to charge you with that. Just because you do it don't mean we have to charge you with it. Can you just tell me your info?
Lovely.
Jeez.
You're still gonna charge me with it. I'm not stupid. You guys are
They're
racist
trying to
because
figure-
I'm white.
Listen,
you
you-
think I'm
you-
privileged, even though I'm from the hood, and I've never been privileged in my whole life.
I'm from the inner city too. That doesn't mean nothing.
I'm not. I don't need to tell you any information.
I'm trying to help you out. They're the ones that are going to charge you. It's
Huh?
them. It's those other officers who are going to make that decision. So do you want?
Okay, and that woman seems like she hates me. I don't trust you. I'm not telling you any information. I don't need to tell you because I've already gotten charged with resisting arrest. So I don't need to give you any information. You can find out all of that information in my charts once I'm arrested and in jail.
Okay. Let me call the social squad quick. Just lift this over my shoulder. I grab it.
He's like, oh, I don't need to get
I'll step
charged
up.
with that just because I did it. You guys
Okay.
already charged me. What?
How do you feel walking? You okay walking?
Yeah, even though they didn't let me get my shoes, even though I said multiple times, do not slam me on the ground. You can't arrest me. I will let you arrest me. Please do not slam me on the ground. I am pregnant. You will risk giving me a miscarriage. By the way, if I have a miscarriage, they will get charged with murder. 100%. That's how the law works.
All right. She in there with her bag.
She's in there handcuffed. She can get out.
You gotta walk this way.
So gracious of me. Get out. How young are you guys? Like my age? Yeah.
Yeah, no, here you go. Okay, thank you.
Our suspect in this case was transported to Grant Medical Center for evaluation due to her pregnancy. She was released about 4 hours later, taken to Columbus Police Headquarters for ID, and later slated at the Franklin County Jail for assault on a police officer and resisting arrest.
Do you have any tattoos or any scars or anything like that? Okay, do you have a shirt on under your jacket? Can I take your jacket off for me? The place is right there on the table next to you. Okay, so the one on your shoulder and then the forearm, are those the only two?
One on the back of my neck.
Mm-hmm. Got it?
This one and then one on the back of my neck.
Mm-hmm.
And then I've got the two on my ankle, two tiny ones, in their side of my ankle.
And what are the ones on your ankle? What are they?
One's a yin-yang sign and the other one's a peace sign.
Okay.
Because I'm so peaceful.
And then are you right or left-handed?
Right-handed.
She has one on the back of the neck, the shoulder, and then this one. Okay, since you've never been here, I need to take your DNA and then we're going to take some ink prints from you today.
Okay.
So, I'm going to have you sign right here on these X's. It's just stating that these are your signs, then, so. I just need you to open your mouth real quick. Okay, then we're going to take a picture of your face and then the pictures of your the tattoos on your upper body.
Is this go? Is this a mugshot?
No.
Does it go in the newspaper?
No.
Oh my god.
This is just for our records and stuff.
Would I go to jail? Do I still have to?
If,
We need to take one picture down there.
yeah, I think they take one. But this one won't be.
Okay.
You just look straight forward for me.